What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back with another video. Last night I promised you guys that I would be hitting Nike outlets today, and I am on the way, or I'm about to be on the way to hit the Nike outlet. Like I said, it's like an hour away. We're gonna see what they got. Hopefully we find something crazy there. Hopefully we find a whole bunch of the GRs I've been releasing lately for like under $100. That'd be major love, especially like the Tiffany 13s, you know, shoes like that I really wanted. That I was like, man, they're gonna go under retail. I could save a lot of money around this Christmas time frame. So they should have a lot of deals. They should have a lot of discounts. The back wall should be flooded with a whole bunch of GRs. So hopefully we find something, man. Y'all give me some good luck right now by hitting that like button, man. The goal for every video is 200 likes. So hit the like button right now for your boy. I'll be going live again tonight. Last night we went live, we was chopping it up, talking about a whole bunch of stuff, man. It was very dope. So if you are watching this right now, tune into the live streams tonight, every night. We're gonna talk about a whole bunch of different crazy stuff. And if you have any questions or anything like that, you can leave it under this video, or you just come to the live stream and ask me and we will address it live, uncut, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you have the notification bell lit for your boy when I do go live tonight on the channel. Subscribe to my second YouTube channel, will be linked in the description box below. Follow me over on Instagram at DEVINTAGE, man. The link will always be in the description box below. And I appreciate all of the support. Thank you everybody that supports the channel. It really means a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys what's on feet, then we're gonna hit the road. Let's get it. So y'all see what's on feet, man. We got on the winter 4s, poor man Mnml. Y'all already know how we do. They look very dope on feet, man. I'm telling y'all, these might be a GR, but please, please do not let that be the fact that you don't cop, man. They dope. It'd be a dope addition to the collection. They do resemble the Mnml 4s a lot, man, but still dope shoe. Had to grab it, grab them early for you guys. So go check out that early review and on feet over these clean Air Jordan 4 winners, man. Let's get it. Now, this is my first time up here. As y'all can see, man, they got like a Puma outlet, they got Champs, and they got a Nike over there, man. So we about to hit it, see what they got. Jordan's vlog. All right, guys, so I'm looking at the wall right now with the Jordans, and I do not see a lot, but I'm gonna show y'all, browse it, and y'all can chalk this up as an L right now, because me just walking down this aisle right here, I'm like, bruh, I just drove out for no reason. But I'm gonna show you guys. So first things first, man, they got these non-swooshless Jordan 1s. I'm not sure. Got a zipper on them joints. I never seen this before. $99.99. I guess it's not bad for one. I don't even know if it's a sale price or what. Yeah, so regular $150 and then $99 is a price, so it's not bad. Alright, this is the closest to a retro they got. They have no ones or anything, but we're about to check this back wall. Hopefully we see something. I'm gonna start pulling a whole bunch of stuff out so you can check it out. But this is the only, I guess you can, retro you can call the 312s. But damn, I don't see nothing. There's something in here. A little something. Check them out. Air Foam Posit Pro cups. Alright guys, we are back at the crib, man, and I must say that was the weakest Nike outlet I have ever been to. And I was even in there and I was like, should I even record half stuff in there? I stopped recording after y'all seen, I think, the 312s, the legacies. And I was like, do they have anything on the back walls? I even went on the women's section. They had no retros at all, as far as like 1s, 2, you know what I'm saying? 1 through like 14 was something I was really going to look for. I didn't see any foam posits. We've seen the foam posit like cups, the Air Force Ones, and I didn't see anything. I was so upset. I'm sorry, guys.
Really, nigga?
So I'm gonna have to title this video something differently, but I did want to come to talk to you guys about these Air Jordan 4 winners. I already did a review, early review and early on feet for you guys, and I was telling you guys to go true to size. Please do not go true to size. Don't listen to me. Go up a half of size in these joints. I wore them all day. Check it out right there. And these things are very tight. And this is because they have that extra cushioning in here. Check it out the behind the tongue and check out on the inner of the shoe. It's like some cushion, some padding, something that you're not used to seeing on your regular Air Jordan 4. This is like the winter theme, so it's supposed to keep your foot warm. And it's very snug in there. Usually I don't crease on my Air Jordan 4s, but on this pair, it creased a little bit right here on the toe box, you can see, and that never happens. So go up a half a size. I'm telling you guys right now, these will be releasing the end of the month, I think like the 27th or something like that. It's like the weekend after Christmas, so, or the weekend before Christmas, I forget. But go up a half size, I'm telling you guys, but still a dope shoe. Go check out the early review and on feet over these guys, man. I'm telling you, very dope shoe. And people gonna sleep on them. I already know. People gonna be like, oh, they're a GR, blah, 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 this, blah, blah, that. And when those things go and you don't have them later down the line, you're gonna be mad. Just look at them. Dope shoe. one of the dopest Air Jordan 4s released. After the cool grade 4s, to me, the Breds and all that wasn't that spectacular as far as the quality. And I guess I was not hyped about the Bred 4s. I was more hyped about the cool grade 4s dropping this year rather than those. So, and then they dropped these, and I was like, hey, let me go ahead and get these things early. Did like a month early review, or over a month early review on these things, because they kept pushing the release date back. I got this pair from StockX from China. You know, they're releasing China already. China usually gets everything before the United States. So I got them from StockX. I got like the little Chinese receipt that was still in the box and stuff like that. So go check it out. Dope shoe. I'm telling you guys, go up a half a size in these shoes, man. All right, and the next thing I wanted to talk about was these Bred 11s. Please do not sleep on them. I'm telling you guys right now. I'm kind of regretting it right now that I didn't go put in my raffle shoe pile and stuff like that. I'm solely relying on the Foot Locker app. I got my 10-minute head start on those, and I got my 10-minute head start on the Yeez Reel. So hopefully I hit on both of them. You guys will see a review on the Bred 11s on release date, if possible. I hope so. I do think the PX here is getting them, so I can get them under retail. I'll be up there early in the morning. Yeah, hopefully I learn tomorrow if I hit on the Foot Locker app or not. But hopefully at the PX, they do like a raffle system. It's very weird. Hopefully I hit. Please, I hope I do. I need a pair of Bred 11s on release date for you guys and for myself as well. I need a pair in hand. I need to have them things in the collection. And one more thing, guys. I'm sorry I'm rambling right now, but go check out the website. Those are only shoes I'm selling right now. Might add a couple more that's in the closet that I don't wear. I haven't even touched in over 6-7 months. I haven't touched them since I left from Germany, from putting them in boxes to ship over here. So I might put some more on the website. Go check it out. It will be linked down below. thevintageworld.bigcartel.com. Go check it out. Go buy some shoes for cheap. No shoes on there are going over $200, man. Everything is under like $180, I do believe. So go check it out. Very cheap shoes, very reliable shoes, and you'll be happy with your purchase. Tonight, I will be going live on the channel. Make sure you have the notification bell on for your boy, because I might go up around like 9, 10, I'm not sure. Yesterday, we went up super late, called it After Hours Live, and we were just chopping up, talking, and having fun, having a good time. So make sure you have the notification bells on so you know when your boy goes live on the channel, so we can chop it up, man. And subscribe to my second YouTube channel. It will be linked down below as well. I was telling people on my live stream why I wanted people to go over there, because I want to keep the live streams on my other channel. But I'm going to say that for the live. If you got any questions, let me know down below. I will address them in the video. But yeah, go up half size in these. Don't sleep on the Bred 11s. Don't sleep on the Yeez Reels. Those things are going to fly off the shelves as well. I don't care what nobody says. They're Yeezy. It's Christmas time. All the kids are going to want them. Like the video right now for your boy to go for every video. It's 200 likes, and it helps the channel grow a lot. I appreciate all of the support. Thanks for tuning in to the video. Tune into the live stream tonight. We're going to have some fun. We're going to talk about how my channel was about to get clapped. No cap. You know what I'm saying? So tune in. Have notification bells on for your boy. And with all that being said, I will catch you guys in the live stream tonight, man. Peace.